Today we're talking HGT, that is hydraulic dampened tilt trailer. It's in the equipment trailer lineup of Diamond C, and it's arguably one of the most popular equipment trailers we sell. It's gained popularity over the years. This one is a 22 foot long, so from the front of the bed here to the tails, 22 feet, 16 foot tilt, 6 foot stationary, beautiful fire engine red. Red stands out. You can see it's got the two-tone black fenders. That's an option that's available that was selected on this one to be able to kind of make it look, unique, make it stand out. Up front, this one has the winch plate on it. It's an option, not the pop-up winch, not a winch from Diamond C, but a plate to where the individual can add the winch of their choice. Next, it's got the 36-inch deck step, making it really easy to access the deck and access your equipment. This one, you can see the frame kind of sweeps up. The reason for that is it has the 208 package, which is two 8K axles, makes the trailer rated at 18,000 pounds GVWR, and it uses the engineered beam frame. This is the technology that we developed in 2016-17 for the big F-Max tandem dual trailers. We took it and put the same technology into this trailer to where we put the metal where it counts the most to give you the most strength for the lightest weight possible. This one weighs on the sticker 4,580 pounds, giving you around 13,400 pounds worth of payload capacity. Nicely matched with this roller. This roller weighs about 11.8, so it would be just over what the 7K axles you would want to carry on 7K axles. Works great for 8K, got a little bit extra, you got a couple thousand pounds worth of extra capacity where you can haul your chains, your binders, extra things to the job site with no problem, and you're not killing your axles every time you load it. As I mentioned, this is an option on the website, being able to get a black bolt-on fender. So if you have a white, a red, a yellow, an orange trailer, it looks really cool to go ahead and have the black fender option. You got 8K straight axle option on this one. Some folks, it's a standard drop. Some folks like to have a little higher ground clearance, so they go with the straight axle option. You'll see this bed is a little bit taller than a normal HGT would be, by about 4 inches. 215/17.5 rubber comes with the 8K option. It's gonna make your tread wear last a lot longer. Also way more puncture resistant, being 16 ply. You can see under the machine, this one has the Blackwood outer option, which is actually really great for a machine like this. If you know anything about rollers, they don't like to climb steep surfaces or steep approach angles. And so the Blackwood really shows up because it adds that level of traction in various climates, whether it's clean like it is today and sunny, or whether you have rain or different things. The Blackwood gives you that extra traction to be able to load a machine like this. Here in just a second, we'll do a loading sequence to show you unloading and loading the roller and just how easy it is with the HGT. Hold up, one thing you don't want to miss is the HD lid. We talk about it all the time. It's a signature of the HGT, the LPX. It was developed 4 or 5 years ago, but it is extended deck space. So if I had a scissor lift like sitting over there, or a crate or pallet or generator or job box that I wanted to get to the job site but didn't have room on the regular part of the bed or in the back of the truck, it can actually ride on the HD lid. But it also doubles as an immense amount of storage space. You can put all kinds of things in there. You can put a jack, a block of wood, quarts of oil, anything you may need to take to the job site, you can put in there, your chains and binders, but then also be able to shut it and lock it out of the way. When it comes to tilting the HGT, it's actually pretty simple. You start with the mechanical lock by simply unpinning it, opening the lock, and you're ready to tilt. One thing though to make sure of is that your hydraulic lock valve is in the open position. This allows the fluid to flow through the cylinder and the bed to tilt. The hydraulic lock valve serves two purposes. One, it's an added layer of security so that when you have the bed latch locked, your equipment is chained down, you can put it in the closed position and it will not allow fluid to pass through the cylinder. The second benefit is that if you need to load a longer wheelbase vehicle like a truck, you can actually tilt the bed, close the valve, and be able to get the entire vehicle on the bed before it tries to prematurely tilt. You open the valve and it'll tilt on over. So you want to get lined up, centered on your trailer bed. You'll ease forward, stay lined up, begin creeping up the trailer. The key is getting just past your tilt point. You'll feel the bed start to move. Right there. We'll let the trailer do the work, come all the way down. Then you can adjust the machine to how much tongue weight you want to put on your tow vehicle. Right there. Then we jump off, we latch it, and we go.